Imagine a world where we humans can design humans by writing our own DNA. So far, it was a story only in SF movies, but GPU Write can make it a reality. What is GPU Write? It means the Genome Project Lite. It is an open international research project led by a multidisciplinary group of scientific leaders who will oversee a reduction in the cost of engineering and testing large genomes in cell lines more than 1,000-fold within 10 years. GPU Lite is the next step of Human Genome Project called HGP. First step of HGP was genome reading and completed successfully in 2003. Its achievements have contributed to the fields of science and medicine. On the other hand, the understanding of the human genome and the full benefits to humanity to be obtained from this knowledge remains far from complete. GPU Write focuses on writing the genome and aim to make the red human genome better understood and accessible. In GPU Write, they try to create a genome sequence and incorporate to the existing one. It is quite different from genetic recombination, genome editing. Genome recombination is replacing parts of the genome sequence with another existing one. Genome editing is cut and connect them, but GPU Write is writing the new genome sequence. It enables us to make new type of cells, organisms, and function in biotechnology. What will we be able to do if we can write a genome? Let's see some examples of applying Genome Write. The first goal of this project is to write for the human genome and create a clone whose DNA is written by their hands. But there are ethical issues. They stopped this project. On the other hand, in Harvard University, a project of reviving mammoths, adding the genome sequence to that of Asian elephant. Success of this project means that we can revive some extinct species by genome writing. Another project is to make a cell which has the tolerance for the specific virus. Now this project is proceeded. If it is succeeded, it will be incorporated to our body and we will be free from some disease. In the future, the world will come where we are free from any disease derived from virus, such as influenza, norovirus, and HIV. It will change medical industry and our health. The last project we will introduce is to create microorganisms which can bring benefits to us. Some of the researchers said that they will be able to create microorganisms which help human beings to live out of the earth. Suppose you travel to the moon. There are no creatures except for human beings. How do you get the food? Probably we have to bring the food from the earth. But GPU Lite might enable us to get nourishment without bringing from where we live. They are trying to create microorganisms which can supply the nourishment to humans on the moon.
DNA information of an animal is very enormous. So for the moment, scientists started with a simpler creature. In the recent project, scientists from all over the world cooperated and wrote all genomes of the East. Professor Aizawa in Tokyo Tech was also one of the members of it. They observed the genomes of the East and refining it, they succeeded in writing all genomes of the East. It was the first case in eukaryotic creatures. However, the benefit of the project was not only creating a new creature. The study led to the development of DNA synthesis technology and also understanding the function of some genomes. DNA is a code, a so long code, and most of the functions of each genome are not yet figured out. However, without knowing them, you never write a new genome. In this project, scientists incorporated the special array called Cure-log-SPI here and there in each genome. By this time, a certain domain of DNA can be knocked out, and observing the change of its characteristics, you can guess the meaning of the genome. Someday, it will be not strange that people may have the capacity of making a completely new creature.
GP Wright will change the future.